everybody, in this video, I'm going to remind you how to upload a document to your discussion post, because obviously it's going to be really important for peer review week. If you cannot upload a document, then you're not going to do very well in peer review. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's look at our discussion. Okay, so this is our peer review. Obviously, you want to go through and read everything that's on here. I have included some documents to this page that should be helpful in completing the peer review. But for this video, I'm going to keep on topic to just show you how to upload documents to the peer review. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and go down and click reply. And in this space, you might say like, hi, everybody. Thanks for helping me out. I also recommend here saying like, this is the first draft of my essay. I'm looking for this specific type of feedback. I think I did this part really well. Anything that you want your peers to know before they read your essay, you're going to include here. Then the next thing you're going to do is attach your essay to this discussion board. So there's two different ways to do this. The first is doing something like this, and you highlight and click this, and you can browse and upload a file and submit. So that's one way. The other way is to click attach, where you're going to browse and do the same thing. So depending on which way you do this is going to look a little bit differently. So I'm going to post the reply so that you can see what these different things look like. So if you did the thing that was up here, then you're going to see kind of your essay in line. So that might be something where you continue writing around it. So it looks like this. This is what I did with those, is that I added it to a word that was there. But if you do attach, it'll be down at the bottom, just like this is. Whichever way works is totally fine. It is up to you. People will be able to read it no matter what. Okay, so once you do that, you are good to go. Obviously, later you are going to need to read responses from your peers and do all this stuff. But I hope this video helped you understand just a quick reminder or lesson to understand how to upload a document to a discussion board. All right, thank you for sticking with me.